Hey everybody, and welcome again to the GetSales.io platform. So today we're gonna learn how to build our first flow and start our outreach campaigns. So first of all, we need to go to the flows section. And here we can see our flows library. So let's build our first one by clicking the Create New Flow button. In the pop-up window, you can see different sections. To start the outreach, we need to give a name to our flow, include lists of the people we want to contact, and set a schedule. Now we're going to choose the default one. And in the next videos, I will explain you how to make your custom schedule. Let's name our flow using the country of the market we want to enter and the industry. Like for example, as I want to enter USA market, so according to the name, we can see the country of the market we want to enter, the industry, and the job positions. And then we need to include the list of the people we want to contact, like for example this one. And after that we can create our flow. So here we can build the flow and choose different elements. Let's start with the most popular. They are actions and triggers. In actions you can connect person, send a direct message, or send emails, visit page. In social activity you can like posts of the person. Also you can endorse their skills, comment posts, etc. And the triggers are needed to check whether the person has connected you already or if he replied to your message. So for the simple outreach campaign, we need to first of all visit the page of the person. This action should be included to simulate the human activity. As usually, we start with viewing the person profile, and only then we send the connection request. After that, we can, for example, like their posts to warm the lead up, and then we can connect person. Here we can type some text message, but now let's leave it empty. So after that, we need to check whether the person has accepted the connection request. We're going to the triggers and check connection. In this field, we advise you to set about 15 days. That means the contact will have an opportunity to accept your request within 15 days. And after the time is over, and if the contact hasn't accepted your request, he will go to the end of the flow and the connection will be withdrawn. So if there is no connect within the 15 days, we can set withdraw connection, and the flow will be ended. And if the person connects us, we can send the direct messages to them. Here we need to type our text message, and we have some, like for example, first name, last name, full name, position, and name of the company and name of the industry. So if you choose one of these options, that means that the system will automatically set the name of the contact and you don't need to type it manually. Like for example, let's say hi to our contact. So that's just for example, and after that we can create our message. You also can move elements by dragging and dropping like this. Here it is. These are the most needed flow elements for your outreach. And let's now have a look at one of our flows that are in work already. So this is our flow. Here we use A/B testing. You can set this element in the rules section right here. So we use A/B testing to check out what hypothesis would work better for us. And here you can see also the elements I've already shown to you. In your outreach campaigns, we commonly advise you to use about 5 messages mixed with some social activity, comments, likes, etc. You can see that we're starting with a simple connection request. Then after contacting, we're making a short offer, but sometimes it makes sense to start from afar. And after that, we're just following up on our messages. After every message, we set the trigger, check the message was replied, and if the person did, he's going to the end of the flow, and then you work with them manually. So we're ending up with an apology message and asking if there is a person we can talk with on this topic. So after our flow is ready, we launch it in the right upper corner, right here. And the outreach is starting according to your schedule. If it's a default one, the outreach starts immediately. So that's all you need to know to start your first outreach. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.